Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to another 3/4 Designs design team layout using the new collection Blossoming Peonies. We're going to be doing these two photos today. This is in Wisconsin last year, 2023. They do a light display, and it was all about the Chinese culture. And those are the dragons that were at the entrance. I have a complete unboxing on my channel. You can check that out if you want to see all these fabulous this whole collection. All right, so I want to do, these are the tuck and play cards. I need something that will, because I want to do, just saying, that's a gorgeous. No. Okay, I like that one. And then we need something. Is this not just prettiest darn thing you ever did see? Okay. Oh, that just needs to be one giant like shaker packet or something. And on the back of each of their collections, they give you this beautiful little way to use their stuff, right? So some sketches to go by. So, what do we want to... I'm trying to figure out my life over here. Okay. So, we're going to have to fussy cut some things out. This camera is a must. Do you ever feel like things just don't work the way that you want them to right away? And there was a beautiful dragonfly. In an outdoor scene. So there's that. I can actually use both of those to matte. No. I feel like we can get some of these little flutterbys. Let's see. Whoa. Let's pull a few of these guys. Come on. Come on, little friend. They're not delicate by any means. They're super sturdy. I just trying to be careful so that I don't forcefully rip them, right? All right. And we'll come back for anything else that we might need. Amidst a sea of green, pink flowers. Amidst a sea of green, pink flowers bloom as nature. Oh, I can't read, but it says amidst a sea of green, pink flowers bloom as nature's delicate poetry. I feel like that's just cute. All right, so let's start with that. We'll come back most definitely for more of the embellishments as needed. So I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut those out. And let's see what's in the tuck and play because we can always fussy cut out some of these as well. I love that camera. Well, that's cute. Guys, the funny thing is I looked at the collection when I first got it, but it's been a minute, so I don't like remember. That's why I'm like, oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. How sad is that? They sent it like super early. And the back's just like, you know, normal paper. So we're just flipping through, seeing if there's anything that I want to pull to kind of tuck in this little groove I got going on. It's a groovy groove. Okay. Go ahead and cut this down right there. I know I wanted to use the key because it was the entrance. See, so that was my point on choosing the key. I really like that. So you guys, honestly, this is what I want to do real quick. Let's just show you. I'm just going to grab this and we're just going to fold that to reveal. I mean, that's kind of cool to reveal that, but that was not the goal. It was going to be that, right? To reveal that, the photo's going to sit like here, and then I'm going to tuck and kind of come across. So I'm going to fussy cut all that. I'm going to get this glued down. So basically we just want to come in and go whoop, whoop. And right along that crease, adding a, oh, I almost like, it's okay. I almost dropped my whole coffee. All right. And then we're just going to get our Teflon bone folder. All right, so that's like that, right? And then we want to grab this real quick because we're gonna go. Just so you can see the definition that's going on here. So like faux stitching. I don't really want to grab my sewing machine. So it's just a faint little line, right? And then we're just gonna oops, don't go too fast because then the ink will skip. Flip that over and go. Whoop, whoop. And I'm not going to waste that full sheet, right? Like we're just going to pop that down. And really just run a line there. And we're going to do 2 lines just to make sure. I mean, you could go that way because it shows the flowers there. Are we liking that though? Or are we liking this better? I think that's going to give us more embellishment areas. Okay. I know that was a horrible cut, but I didn't want to waste the whole thing. We're 10 minutes in and you guys are like, do something else. And I'm like, okay. So let me go ahead and start fussy cutting and get some stuff in place. And I'm gonna line like that so that I can take some washi tape and seal that. I'll be right back. Alright, so this is kind of what we've got. I don't have anything glued down yet. I was just kind of playing around. My husband was cleaning the carpets, so I was just trying to get ahead, and I figured we would just kind of chat a little after I get these little things as I'm sticking this stuff down. So on butterflies, I always take them and bend them just like this, and then I take a little smidge of foam and pop it right there, and then we just get that stuck in there. So this little cluster right here, kind of fun. We're gonna put the thing that I couldn't read right about here, but let's go ahead and rough the edges up. I think that's just a fun look. And this paper is such great quality that it doesn't fray. It doesn't, like, you know how some of them are like, they get all crazy and leave little, I don't know, paper pieces that you've shredded all over the place. This doesn't. This paper is just such the best quality. Well, I can go ahead and just get this stuff stuck down. And as you see, this was on a card right here. So we're just going to tuck that under. I'm just going to keep going. So have you guys picked up any of these new collections yet? Did you get any of last month's? Aren't they just the best? I love them so much. So I am going to cover the bottom of this photo because there's just people congregating. I'm going to be honest, I don't even know if I'm the one that took this. I don't know what I'm doing because that's not what I wanted to do. Bend the butterfly. And get the little foamy on there. I'm going to stick him right here. And then camera. Just kind of stick that camera right there. Basically, I'm trying to cover this little weird, awkward gap right there. So we're going to get that stuck there. Just take a little bit of this foam and stick it right there. Okay. Whoop, 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 whoop. I'm going to get this guy stuck down. Kind of angled a little bit like that. We did have to cut that off just a smidge so that, because it's so nicely glued down, I didn't think about tucking things, even though I knew that was going to be the idea. Right? All right. So we've got that. I'm coming with some of these cute little hearts just for a bit of, you know, added flair. And I think we're going to go, want to go with the hot pink? What do we think? Or do we want to go with the light pink? Ooh, I think the light pink works better. And I don't like to do them straight on. So And these are just for my stash, nothing special. And honestly, you guys, with that, a little too much on the Wonka. We're gonna call it. Look how fun this layout is. All about just folding and then using that line right there to tuck in your embellishments, making the definition of this paper, and then letting everything else fall. So don't forget to head on over, check out 3/4 designs, 3/4 designs. I don't know why I paused awkwardly, and see what they have going on. So I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.